Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 active, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding the button until you see the Redmi logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch boots up. Once it boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping on the screen. Now find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. After you select the language, you will see the QR code, and you can use it to download the Mi Fitness application, but I'm just gonna download it through the Play Store on our phone. To download the app, you will need to have internet connection, and to pair the devices, you will need to have a Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, I'm gonna open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Mi Fitness. And on the list of applications, you should see this app, Mi Fitness Xiaomi Wear. Tap on install. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, tap on start. Check the first box. The second one is not mandatory, so you don't need to, but if you want to, you can also check it. Then tap on agree. Now we need to select the service region, and you can tap right here and scroll through the list, find something you like, and then tap on it to select it. Then tap on next. And now you should see the health page. Find the device icon, tap on it, and then tap on add device. Tap on agree, and allow the required permission. The app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Redmi Watch 5 active. Tap on it to select it, and we need to log in into a Xiaomi account, as you can see. So tap on sign in, and if you don't have an account, you can tap on create account and then log in into it. So once you make a new account, you can basically log in into it. You can also sign in via SMS or the Google account if you like to. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna check this box, enter the email address and password. And then tap on sign in to log in. And after you log in, you will be redirected to the add page, so tap on the watch again. Confirm on the watch, tap on pair on the phone. Here you can tap on done, continue. Right now tap next, done. And right here we can enable the phone notifications. You don't need to do it, it's not mandatory, but if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you will need to basically allow some permissions and select one of the options. The first option basically mirrors the settings from your phone. So if you have for some application and notifications turned on for some application, basically, it will mirror that setting, so it will be also enabled on your watch. But you can also customize it to your liking by tapping on customize notifications, and it will basically bring you the list of apps, and you can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. I'm gonna select the first option and then tap on set to enable the notifications. Remember that if you don't want to use it, you can tap on dismiss. And if you don't have the required permissions, you will need to basically tap on set. It will redirect you to this page, and here you need to find the Mi Fitness application on the list. You need to tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then go back to the app. And right here we can also enable the notifications for the incoming calls. You can dismiss it if you want to, but if you want to use this feature, tap on set and allow the required permissions. And here we can enable the option to sync the do not disturb mode with your phone. So basically, if you turn it on your phone, it will turn on your watch, and if you turn it on your watch, it will turn on your phone, and vice versa. It will also turn off, basically sync the devices. And you can tap on set to enable it or dismiss to keep it disabled. Now tap on OK here if you want to sync the fitness data from all of your devices. Then tap on got it. And at this point you should see the Redmi Watch active on the device page. And if you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the watch face, the home screen, and that means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.